Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Monday called Sachin Pilot useless, using the Hindi word nikamma in a no-holds-barred attack on his former deputy with whom he is locked in a power tussle. Referring to the dissident leader's tenure as the Pradesh Congress Committee President, Gehlot claimed that nobody raised questions for the sake of the party even when they know that he did not work. Gehlot did not mention Pilot by name, referring once to him as his young colleague and recalling that he had been given important posts by the party at a very early stage. The Chief Minister claimed that Pilot used to say that did I come here to sell vegetables? I came here to become the Chief Minister. Sachin Pilot has strongly denied allegations by Congress MLAs that he was offered money by the former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister to switch sides to the BJP as part of his attempts to topple the Ashok Gehlot government in the state. He said, I am saddened but not surprised to be at the receiving end of such baseless and vexatious allegations being levelled against me. Pilot said in a statement released on Monday evening, adding that he would take legal action against legislator Giriraj Singh Malinga for the bribery accusation. Pilot said that the allegation has been made solely to malign him and to stifle the legitimate concerns that he raised against the party leadership of the state. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah today threatened legal action against Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel for implying that Congress rebel Sachin Pilot's move were linked to he and his father being released from detention in Kashmir earlier this year. He tweeted, I am fed up of the downright malicious and false allegation that what Sachin Pilot is doing is somehow linked to my or my father's release from detention earlier this year. Enough is enough. Mr. Bhupesh Baghel will be hearing from my lawyers. That's what Omar Abdullah tweeted. This is a great time to invest in India and the country is welcoming investments into the tech sector, Prime Minister Narendra Modi told IBM CEO Arvind Krishna on Monday. In a virtual interaction with Krishna, the Prime Minister noted that while the world is witnessing a slowdown, FDI inflow in India is increasing. Modi said the country is moving forward with the vision of self-sufficient India so that a globally competent and disruptions-resilient local supply chain can be developed, according to a statement from the Prime Minister's office. The Uttar Pradesh government has agreed before the Supreme Court to rework a committee to investigate the death of Vikas Dubey, the Uttar Pradesh gangster who was shot dead earlier this month as he tried to escape police custody following a car accident. The top court had asked the state government to consider adding a former Supreme Court judge and a retired police officer in the probe committee, saying that it was appalled that the gangster was out on bail. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said that we are appalled at the fact that such a person was released on bail. This is a failure of an institution where he was released on bail and did this. We need a report on such bail orders.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.